Meghalaya TMC MLA George yesterday was present during the protest organized by Meghalaya People Social Organization, Garo Students Union and Ripoh Youth Organization unitedly against the legislation of casinos and the Meghalaya Gaming Act in the state which took place in Ripoh district. Talking to the media, Lingdor said, the other guidelines of the law such as the online gaming and the online betting would bring huge loss to the youth of the state. Everyone possesses cell phones and has the power in their hands to participate in online betting and gambling, which will lead to addiction even though they do not go to casinos. They would play at home at educational institutions. Regarding the fiscal discrepancy, he pointed out that in the year 2019 to 2020, the government released 1,200 crores for free. If one hand you release the revenues and on the other hand you set up casinos for earning revenues, the misutilization of funds is very evident. TMC Meghalaya MLA George observed during the autumn session of the Meghalaya Assembly on September 15th that the state's per capita income dropped by 1.8% during the fiscal year 2021 to 2022. He added, the drop in the PCI also indicates unemployment. When we sit with people, many youths and elderly citizens complain that there is no wage employment. Simultaneously, in Bernihad, the fire of protest spread as the protesters burnt effigies of the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, and Cabinet Minister James K. Sangma to mark their voice of dissent. With the shaky fiscal foundation and rising unemployment in the state, Meghalaya TMC condemns the NPP-led MDA government's draconian decision to legalize casinos and promote unregulated online gaming and betting in the state. Despite Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's statement during the autumn assembly session that the licensing would be stopped, 3 casinos still possess the legal license for operation. The MDA government should clarify their intent rather than taking an ambiguous stance on the casinos, while their actions favor the legalization of casinos in the state.
Participated in this protest by showing our solidarity and support to various NGOs that have come to voice the concerns of the people and also to protest and oppose the setting up of the casinos in Ripoh district. As a party, we had taken up this matter in the Legislative Assembly, and at the same time we had exposed the nitty-gritties of the actions of the government, especially with 3 licensees that the government had actually given without telling the people and without publicizing their actions. Now this has brought a lot of contentment, and also most of the religious leaders and all the Christian groups, they are against this because it is unethical, and at the same time it is bringing a lot of vices in the state which will destroy the future of our youth. So therefore we stand in solidarity and support to all the NGOs, various organizations, civil society members, and also members of the headmen who have come as joint action committees, will be protesting also in the coming days and have also shown their opposition in the past few days. So as a party, we stand together in solidarity, and also at the same time, to have a better Meghalaya, we need unity, we need policies that are in favor of the future of the youth and in favor of the future of the people. Thank you.